tight. I lay low and watch the rest move, cause the ones that run their mouth get their chest bruised. Never giving task force any time of day, facing the station downtown for a brief stay. Ask me this, who's that, what I get to get? How come the same gun match the bullet in his back? Pass the jack, fuck around, get my lawyer here. A couple notes and some coke, get this case cleared. Post bill, same night like I'm Frank White. Blowing kisses at the cops, keep your shit tight. The Polo Sport next day show up for court. Stretch Rex on money specs what the system thought. Young, black, dangerous, male that's paid. Got a way around every law the swine made. See the judge with a grudge trying to beat the rocks. Gleaming out under the sleeve on a fresh watch. 10 deep forward heat under their trenches. Outside while the rest by the benches. No witness, hurry up and get this case closed. I got shows and y'all fucking with my face.